The ancient Roman Empire, once the most powerful civilization in the world, hides countless mysteries behind its glory. There are many treasures, valuable artifacts, and archaeological discoveries that have been lost, or whose true purpose we still do not know. In this video, we will learn about some such Roman treasures that still haunt archaeologists today. It was the 1st century. The Roman general Publius Quinctilius Varus was disastrously defeated by Germanic tribes in the Teutoburg Forest with his 3 legions. In this battle, the Romans' most sacred symbols, the eagle standards, Aquila, of each legion, were lost. These eagles were not just symbols, they were the ultimate representation of Roman military honor. For centuries, the Romans tried to recover these lost eagles, but not all were found. Even today, some of these lost eagles may still be buried deep in a German forest or under the ground, bearing silent witness to history. Although not entirely a Roman event, Alexandria was the center of Greco-Roman culture and influence. The Library of Alexandria was one of the world's greatest repositories of knowledge. It is believed to have housed millions of papyrus scrolls containing all the knowledge of the ancient world. Unfortunately, due to fires and destruction at various times, the majority of this library was destroyed. Even today, archaeologists dream that if some of those lost scrolls could be recovered, human civilization's knowledge would reach new heights. Perhaps under the sea or deep underground, that priceless treasure trove of knowledge is still hidden. The Roman Empire had absolute dominance in the Mediterranean, but the nuisance of pirates was also significant. Many Roman merchant ships and even warships sank at the hands of pirates or in natural disasters. These ships contained vast amounts of gold, silver, precious stones, and other goods. Archaeologists occasionally find the wrecks of such ships at the bottom of the Mediterranean, revealing stories of Roman prosperity. However, it is believed that thousands of such ships still lie sleeping in the depths of the sea, with treasures that could astonish modern man. The story of the Roman Empire is not just about massive buildings made of brick or tales of victory. It is also a story of lost mysteries and undiscovered treasures. Archaeologists are still digging the earth, searching the depths of the sea to uncover more unknown chapters of this ancient civilization. Who knows? Perhaps a priceless Roman artifact is hidden right beneath your own home. Stay with the Roman Legacy channel to learn more such unknown stories.
If you love history, legends, and great mysteries, hit that subscribe button and join our journey into the past.